Here I have OnePlus Ace 2V, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you should go to settings, then you should go to the additional settings, then go to the backup and reset, select reset phone, then tap erase all data, then erase data and then once again, and device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.